Okay guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this will be a very short video. I just want to show you uh, a simple apps written in Elixir's vibe coding. I made a web page summarizer with LLM. So currently I'm learning an online course from Udemy by this person at Donaire. And in the first day, he teach about the same thing, building web scraper and then summarize it with LLM. But in his course, he used Python with Jupyter so I want to do the same but using Livebook with Elixir, right? And also the difference in the course, he used OpenAI API, but in this version, I use Ollama. So I'm going to run the model locally. I don't need to spend money to buy the API access. So for project dependency, I use four libraries. Floki is for HTML parser. Rag is for HTTP client. Ollama is the library to interact with Ollama API. And Kino is to render the output in Markdown, so we can read the summary in a cleaner format. So the prerequisite, you need to download Ollama. Then after that, you can choose what kind of models you want to use. In my case, I use two models. I'll show you later. So you can pull the model using this command Ollama pull and then the name of the models. And when choosing the model, be mindful with the memory requirement, right? So in my case, I use 8B models or 7B models or 13B model, which is use about 16 gigabyte of memory, right? So let me run this setup so it can fetch all of these dependencies, right? Great. And then after that, I have a website module, which is generated by AI. So I'm using this prompt basically to convert these Python versions to Elixir. And this is the generated code. So basically it uses rag to get the content of the URL, and then use Floki to parse the body content and eliminate any elements that we are not interested, right? So that's the summary. And then next I have the second module called website summarizers. It's also generated by AI. So in this model, it's basically I will ask the Ollama to run my prompt. This is the prompt. You are an assistant that analyze the content of a website and provides a short summary, ignoring text that might be navigation related. Respond in Markdown. You are looking at a website title, this title, and the content of this website as follows, and the content that we parse will be put here. Please provide a short summary of this website in Markdown. If it includes news or announcement, then summarize these two. And then, yeah, basically returned the summary in Markdown. So this is the final code. We call website.new and pass the website that we want to summarize. In this case, this is a website from NHK, so this web page. And then we want to summarize using this model. And then the markdown will be displayed in markdown format using library. So let's take a look. So let's run this. It will take a couple of seconds to fetch the content and also to summarize the content. So this is the content, something like this. So sometimes the content is rendered in this box, but sometimes the content is rendered in the rich format. Maybe we can try another content. Yeah, let's go this one. Evaluate. Yeah, now the markdown is displayed correctly. So Russia conducts large-scale attack on Ukraine according to NHK World Japan News. Russia attack blah blah blah. So it gives a nice summary of the articles. And let's create another sections, Elixir sections, and let's copy this. But this time I already have another model from Microsoft P3. So I will use this model. Let's try to compare the results. So while waiting, I think the next website that I want to try is my own website. But yeah, you can see this is the results from the second model. Right, as you can see, the second one, it looks like not a summary. It's like even longer than the original content. So let's try with my own website. All right. Let's try my own website. See the result. Yes. All right, so this is the results. Web summary, Steve and Learn. This website is the online portfolio of Steve and Learn, artist specializing in fine art and graphic design. Key focus area: his artistic work primarily showcasing his skill as both an artist and a designer. Okay, so I'm not an artist, so like, yeah, it's a bit misleading. So, but anyway, maybe we can get a more accurate results if we use OpenAI or something. But yeah, this is really nice. We have this. Can run locally. We don't need to pay for the token of OpenAPI. Yeah, I think this is all about the video. I hope you can learn something from it. Until the next video, keep learning and stay healthy. Bye bye.